Coloring with Rutaba. Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the sun. So let's get begin. First I'm going to draw the big circle. Then I draw the rays of sun. Friends, let's draw the sun exactly according to me. Yes, the sun is smiling. Now I'm going to color the sun with yellow. So let's get begin. I color the circle first with yellow. After coloring yellow, I'm going to draw the outer lines of orange. Yes, exactly like this. Friends, do follow me. I'm going to give the shade of orange on the edges. With a wolf, wolf here and a wolf, wolf there. Here a wolf, there a wolf, everywhere a wolf, wolf. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Yes, after shading the orange, I'm going to color the rest off with yellow. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm. Friends, are you enjoying coloring the sun with me? Amazing! If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.